is Siki. I'm now standing in the balcony of our company, CoffePack. We are packing industries. We are in packing industries for 30 years, and major produce the corrugated box, and we have also make paper bags and other paper tubes. If you have any packing needs, you can come to us. Now I will introduce the corrugated boxes for you. This one shapes like a drawer, and it can contain a lot of things. You can decide whether your products can fit in. And this one is a plain one, so it has no printing. It's just a white one. We can make custom printing and size. You can see there are 3 different kinds. This one is usually for wine packing and bottle packing. It can also use for some shampoo packing. This one is more big, and it is bigger, and you can put your shoes in it or pack garments. These are all made of corrugated boxes, and it's of strong load. It's of good quality, as you can see from the picture and from the video. We can also change the handles into different other materials like ribbon, and this one is cotton. We can also make different colors. You are welcome to send your inquiry to us.